Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Devorsi Jana, biostatistician and young scientist. Today we are going to discuss reference arrangement for research paper. So let's start my video.
Today, we are diving into the world of research papers and discussing an essential aspect: reference and arrangement. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or just someone interested in academic writing, understanding how to organize your references properly is crucial. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the details, let's quickly go over what references are in a research paper. References, also known as citations, are the sources you have consulted and cited within your paper to support your arguments, ideas, or findings. They provide credibility to your work by demonstrating that you have conducted thorough research and acknowledged the contributions of others. So, how do you arrange your references effectively? Well, there are a few commonly used formats, such as APA, American Psychological Association, MLA, Modern Language Association, and Chicago Style. Today, we will focus on APA, which is widely used in social sciences and other disciplines. Let's break down the key elements of reference arrangement in APA style. The first thing to keep in mind is the alphabetical order of authors' names. Arrange your references alphabetically by the last name of the first author listed. If there is no author, use the title of the work to determine its position in the list. The second element is the year of publication. If multiple works by the same author are listed, arrange them in chronological order, starting with the earliest publication year. Next, we have the title of the article or book. In APA style, the title of an article is written in sentence case, where only the first letter of the title and proper nouns are capitalized. For books and other works, the title is written in title case, where the first letter of each significant word is capitalized. Another crucial element is a journal or book title. Journal titles are written in title case and are italicized or underlined, while book titles are also written in title case but are only italicized or underlined without any additional formatting. Additionally, you'll need to include the volume number, issue number, if applicable, and page range of the article. The volume number is typically written in italics, followed by the issue number in parentheses, without any formatting. Finally, specify the page range of the article. Lastly, don't forget to include the DOI, Digital Object Identifier, or URL if available. The DOI is a unique alphanumeric code that provides a persistent link to the online location of the article. And there you have it. Understanding how to arrange your references properly is an important skill in academic writing. By following the guidelines of your chosen citation style, such as APA, you can ensure that your references are organized in a clear and consistent manner, enhancing the credibility of your research paper. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. And as always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and happy referencing.